right now in the community of Makoko in Lagos State, one of our summer school locations. And it's been inspirational just watching the kids learn different vocations.
It is really a blessed time that we're having at the Special Youth Foundation Summer School. I mean, it has been an incredible sight that we are seeing here, coming to help over 250 children, with their school supplies, school bags, books, and you can see that the children are very happy, they're very excited, and the Special Foundation are doing something great here, and we're very happy to actually partner with them, and we look forward to much more partnership than just this.
Special Summer School that was fully sponsored by the Special Foundation. I want to really appreciate them for trusting us with their resources, heavy resources they take, for us to be able to carry this out for 3 weeks. From the first day we started, we had less than 100 children, but by the time we went into the second day, into the third day, into the first week, the numbers increased because of the activities that happened in this place. When we entered the second week, going to the third week, the company that is partnering with Special Foundation, the Macadams, they came in for baking and every kind of baking that you can think of.
We have finished our scaling. Now we are molding our breads into the pot, in the bread pans. See that one? Right. Put it in there. No. Across. Well done. Take that one. Across.
Don't be scared. You can do it.
Makoko Bakery. Have it? Yes, Makoko Bakery.
So Eco Styling Gel is a styling gel used to make your hair sleek. It's a styling gel used for sleek hair, packing gel, your braids, everything styling, everything that has to do with gel.
We had Kuddy Cosmetics come and teach the kids how to learn make hair with their beauty products. And it's just been inspirational just watching the energy the kids have had.
And then Descasio also came. They gave bags and they gave exercise books, they gave math sets, they gave pencils. We want to say thank you. We're reaching out to all of you and we say thank you. What you gave reached us. We received it with joy and we are grateful.
And that's why we've invested in the summer school program across 14 centers in about 10 states, building the capacity of children across the country. We are in economically disadvantaged communities and trying to ensure that no child gets left behind. We want to ensure that the future of Nigeria and the future of Africa is guaranteed. We want to ensure that every child's dream remains valid. And that's what we are investing in. We're investing in the future of children across the country. And the summer school program is targeted and structured around these lines, ensuring that the children are equipped with vocational skills, ensuring that they have a more incensed and developed passion for learning. And that's where we are vested in doing. We want to ensure that we can build the future of generations to come.